Now let me do ninth today. What must be added to number minus 162 to get minus 47? What must be added to minus 162 to get minus 1? What must be added? Wait. What must be added to? Yes, now it is clear. What must be added to minus 162 to get minus 47? So what you will add to minus 162? So we write, let x be added. Let x be added to minus 162. We add x to minus 162. Yes, correct, right. Yes. No, it is clear. You see that, yes, I don't want debate over whether board is, no, I don't want any debate, please, everything is clear. Right, let x be added to minus 162. So we write x plus minus 162. What should be added to minus 162? Yes, mute the microphone. Let x be added to minus 162. So added means plus. So x plus minus 162. So what should be added to minus 162 so that you get the number minus 47? So we write, let x be added to minus 162. My camera is on. Yes, my camera is on. Yes, that you see the adjustment of your phone. When now when x is added to minus 162, we get minus 47. So what should be added to minus 162? Yes, that you see the setting of your phone, no? Yes, you see the setting of your phone, no? Now this video I will upload from there. You see that what should be added to minus? Yes, what should be added to minus? Now mute the microphone. Yes, no discussion. I don't want any discussion. Mute the microphone. What should be added to minus 162? So we write, let x be added to minus 162. So when x is added to minus 162, we get minus 47. So now I will take minus 162 on the other side. Before equal to, this is my left hand side, and after equal to, this is my right hand side. Before equal to is, yes. So now I will change the side of, so x is equal to, solution, then I have put dot, let x be added to minus 162, let. Yes, now minus 162 is on left. I will take minus 162 on the right. So whenever we change the side, sign changes. So this becomes minus 47. Then I am taking minus 162 on the right, it becomes plus 162. So now, wait, what is sign of 47 minus? What is sign of 162 plus? Plus and minus, they have opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 162 minus 47, that will subtract 162 minus 47. So 12 minus 7, 5. 5 minus 1, 4 is 1. If we take minus 162 on the other side, it is on the left. We take it on the right. Sign changes. Minus become plus. Yes. X is 115. So we write x is 115. So we write the answer. Yes. So 105 is added to 115 is added to minus 162. This is the answer. 115 is added to minus 162. Yes. 115 is right. 10th one. 115 is write the question of 10th. 115 is added to minus 162. Yes, right fast. Yes. Then after this we start fraction. Yes, over. Finish writing. Fraction. Yes. 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 No. See here, my dear. This is 2 and this is 7. Now 2 is smaller. So 1 is carried. 1 is carried there. It becomes 12, and in place of 6 there is 5. So 12 minus 7 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Because 2 is smaller than 7. So I will carry 1 from this 6. So 6 become 5, and this 1 become 12. Yes. Yes. Unit test. It is a practice test. Unit test will be in the. No. It was mock test. It was mock test. No. It was mock test. Yes. Why there is discussion? No. Please stop discussion. We are now write 10th. Write 10th. Yes. Now 10th we start. 10th on Monday. Yes. On Monday. Write fast. On Monday we write the question first. No. I have to explain the question. On Monday, I have to explain the question. No. On Monday, the maximum temperature of Shimla was. On Monday, the maximum temperature. Yes. The maximum temperature. The maximum temperature of Shimla was. Shimla is a place. The maximum temperature of Shimla was. Yes, it is clear, right? Was 3 degrees Celsius. On Monday, the maximum temperature of Shimla. Yes, mute the microphone. On Monday, the maximum. Yes, no discussion. On Monday, the maximum temperature of Shimla was 3 degrees Celsius. Was. Yes, no discussion, please. On Monday, the maximum temperature of Shimla was 3 degrees Celsius. Was 3 degrees Celsius. Alright, was 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius. But on Tuesday, it fell down. It fell down to minus 4 degrees Celsius, right? Fell down to minus 4 degrees Celsius. By how many degree did the temperature fall? By how many degree by how many degree wait, by how many degree did the temperature fall? Did the temperature fall? By how many degree did the temperature fall? So first you have to understand the question. Without understanding the question, yes. So on Monday, the temperature of Shimla, yes, it is very much clear, right? On Monday, see, we draw this diagram first. We draw this diagram and then we write. Now this is 0 and 3 degree, 1, 2, 3 degree, 2 degree, 0 degree, and this was Monday. Monday it was 3 degree. The temperature of Shimla on Monday was 3 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday it fell down to -4 degree. So this side we write -1, -2, -3, -4, and this is on Tuesday. Number line you have to draw. This is my -4 on Tuesday, and this is +3 on Monday. So how much did the temperature fall? Wait, it is not the no. Wait, answer is not -1. Wait, why are you in hurry? First you draw this diagram. Yes, no, I will explain. Do not worry, I will explain. The maximum temperature in the beginning, it was Monday 3 degree. So from there it number line, from there it goes down to -4 degree. From 3 degree it fell down to -4 degree. So let us write the answer. Yes. Let us write the question, solution of this question. So Monday the temperature was 3 degrees Celsius, and on Tuesday it fell down to -4 degrees Celsius. See here, fell down means it is reduced. Fell down means reduced, or fell down you can say subtract. So we write the question. We write, right. So write maximum temperature of Shimla. Maximum temperature. Right. Maximum temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius. And fell down means it is minimum temperature. It is it is minimum temperature. Fell down means minimum temperature. Fell down means minimum temperature is -4 degrees Celsius. Maximum is 3 degrees Celsius, minimum is -4 degrees Celsius. Now by how much temperature falls? How much the temperature fall? So we write, so fall in the temperature, yes, what you will write, fall in the temperature, that will be, yes, what you will write, 3 degree, then now see here, from 3 degree, wait, from 3 degree where we are moving, tell me, in which direction we are moving? Yes. So whenever you move left side, yes. Whenever you are moving on left, there will be minus sign. Then which number is there? -4. So 3 degree Celsius minus -4 degrees Celsius. This minus we write because we are moving on left. So 3 degrees minus -4 degree. So this we write 3 degrees Celsius, and yesterday I had explained whenever minus minus sign are together, minus minus sign are together, it become plus. So 3 degree plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now 3 degree plus 4 degree. What is 3 degree plus 4 degree? 7 degree. Yes, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 degrees Celsius. So fall in temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. Fall in temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. Fall in temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. So, yes, what is maximum temperature? Tell me. Maximum temperature is on Monday 3 degrees Celsius. Then on Tuesday it fell down to minus 4. Fell down means it goes towards the left. So 3 degrees Celsius, how much gap is there? This gap we have to find. This gap is fall in the temperature. The gap between 3 and minus 4 is the fall in the temperature. So that will be 3 degree minus minus 4 degree. So minus minus become plus, 3 degree plus 4 degree is 7 degree. Yes. Yes, after diagram you will write this. After diagram you will write this part. Maximum temperature. Yes, clear it is. It is very much clear, right? 3 degree minus minus 4. Whenever minus sign are together, remember, whenever minus sign are together, minus minus become plus. So 3 degree plus 4 degree, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 degrees Celsius. So fall in temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. So fall in temperature is maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. Maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. Maximum is 3 degree minus minimum temperature minus 4. So whenever minus sign are together, minus minus become plus. So 3 degree plus 4 degree is 7 degree. So fall in temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. Now let us solve 11th. Let us solve 11th. This diagram I am erasing. Yes. This diagram I am erasing. Now write the 11th question. Write the 11th question. Yes. Now we solve the 11th question. We solve the 11th. Yes. Mute the microphone. 11th. Right. Mohan deposits. Question I am writing. Mohan deposits. Right. Mohan deposits rupees 1500. Mohan deposits rupees 1500 in bank account. Mohan deposit 1500 rupees in bank account. Mohan deposits 1500 rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. 1500 rupees in bank account 1500. He went to the bank. Yes, mute the microphone. He went to the bank. Yes. He went to the bank to withdraw. Yes, to withdraw. Wait. To withdraw. Yes, it is clear. Wait. To withdraw 2100 rupees. To withdraw 2100 rupees. Yes. What is, no discussion. What is the position of his balance? Yes, what is the position of his balance? What is the position of his balance? What is the position of his balance. How much balance amount is there in the account? What is the position of his balance? That we have to find. What is the position of balance? Balance means remaining amount. Balance means remaining amount. So let us solve this. That will see, no? That will see. So Mohan deposit 1,500 in the bank account. Mohan deposit 1,500. Yes. No, deposits means, yes. See, no. Deposit means you keep that amount in the bank account. Yes. You keep or store that amount in the bank account. Keeping or storing that amount is known as deposit. Withdrawal means you are removing or taking out that amount. Taking out or removing that amount is withdraw. Storing or keeping that amount is deposit. So let us solve this. So this is bank. This is bank account. Draw this diagram. This is bank account. Yes, right. So in bank account, Mohan deposit 1,500 rupees. So this is 1,500 rupees. So Mohan deposit 1,500 rupees. So we write it is deposit amount. So we write plus. It is deposit amount, so we write plus. Then how much amount he withdraw? Yes. How much withdraw means removing. Withdraw means, yes, how much amount is withdraw? 2,000. Yes, 2,100. Yes, this is withdrawal amount. No comment. Yes, no comment. Withdrawal amount. This is withdraw amount. So withdraw means you have to take minus sign. Withdraw means minus sign. Remember. So withdraw means minus. Yes, withdraw means minus. And deposit means plus. Yes. Yes, no comment. Withdraw means, yes. Write down. Now write down. So write down balance amount in account. Yes. See, balance amount will be deposit minus withdraw. Balance amount will be deposit minus withdraw. So how much amount is deposited? 1,500 rupees. How much amount is deposited? 1,500 rupees. And how much amount is withdrawn? 2,100. So balance amount will be deposit amount minus withdraw amount. So deposit is 1,500 rupees. Yes. No, yes. Deposit is 1,500 and withdraw is 2,100. Now see here. Now pay attention. What is sign of 1,500 plus? What is sign of 1500? Plus. What is sign of 2100? Minus. So whenever, now this is plus sign and this is minus sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract bigger number minus smaller number and take the sign of bigger number. This is plus sign, yes, and this is minus sign. So opposite sign you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 2100 minus 1500, we'll see. So that is 0, 0, 6, and which number is bigger? Minus, so minus 600. So this is minus 600 rupees. Minus 600 rupees is balance amount. Balance amount is minus 600 rupees. See, minus 600 means, wait, minus 600 means there is deficiency of 600 rupees. Minus, no, in this we are not covering the problem of loan. We write minus means deficiency. So right. Yes. There is deficiency. We write deficiency. Yeah, you can write there is shortage. You can use the word shortage. How much amount is short? There is shortage of 600 rupees. There is shortage. We use the word shortage. Shortage, or you can say deficiency. They are same. Whether you say shortage or deficiency, both are same. There is shortage of 600 rupees. Shortage of 600 rupees. Yes. No, when we write shortage, then we write 600. When we write shortage, means it is minus. Shortage means minus. So there is shortage of 600 rupees in account. Yes. No, wrong. No. Always balance is deposit minus withdraw. Suppose, let me give you one example. Suppose your mummy gives you 10 apples. So 10 apple is deposited. From 10 apple, I am taking 5 apple. Then how many apple is remaining to you? That will be 10 minus 5, no? So, yes, so in the same way, how much amount is deposited? 1500. From that 1500, we are withdrawing 2100. So 1500 minus 2100 will be the balance amount, that is minus 600. Because 1500 is having plus sign, 2100 has minus sign. So opposite sign, plus minus, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So minus 600. Minus 600 means, yes. Yes. So from that, so only 1500 is there in the account. If there is only 1500, how you can withdraw 2100? You can withdraw the same amount or smaller amount. You cannot withdraw the bigger amount than the deposit. Deposit is 1500. So maximum you can withdraw 1500 and less than 1500. You cannot withdraw more than 1500. If you withdraw more than 1500, answer will be negative. Negative means there is a shortage. Negative means there is a shortage or deficiency. Yes. This chapter is over. Let me give you few problem. Yes. Let me give you few problem for practice. No, I have to give. I have to give. You cannot say no. I have to give. Yes. This complete this chapter integer. हाँ. हाँ, chapter is over. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. No problem. Even if even yes, yes. Yes, anyone you can use blue pen or black pen. You can use the same book for writing maths homework also, because we all are facing this coronavirus crisis. So we will adjust. We have to adjust. Yes. Yes. No, you're right. 5 minutes is there. Yes, this question you have to write. So 3 minutes are enough. Right. Surprise question. Surprise practice question. Surprise practice question. Surprise practice questions. Wait, very much clear. Where it is blurred. Yes. Because yes. So already you are having 2-day holiday, Saturday, Sunday. So you can practice. You can practice this. And Monday there is Raksha Bandhan. Yes. Find the value. Write down. No. Monday no information. Monday will be working. Find the value of following. That class teacher will tell you whether it is holiday or not. Find the value of the following first. Minus 18 minus 15 plus 42 minus 8. Second. Now it is clear, right? Wait. No, it is very much clear, right? Right. 53 minus 17. Wait. Plus 19 minus 6. Yes. 3. 48 plus minus 26 minus 17 plus 10. Fourth. Wait. Who is making noise? Minus 37 minus 25 plus 10 minus 3. Mock test. What was that question? You tell me the. See here. Place value will be 3. Place value will be 30. Face value is 2. So 30 into 2. Answer was 60. Right. Yes. Minus 25. Minus 8 plus 13 yes, these 5 questions, and this this chapter is over. Now next period will start fractions. Yes, this problem you solve and send me on the WhatsApp number. Yes. Yes, bye everybody. Bye everybody.